Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up both the Promate buds and their case. You need enough battery to complete pairing. Once done, make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. Bring the case within 3 feet of the device and open it. Many models enter pairing automatically. If they don't, press and hold the small pairing button on the case for 3-5 seconds until the LED flashes. This signals the buds are ready to pair with your device. Now you move to the device's Bluetooth menu and start scanning. The Promate model name should appear within a few seconds. Tap that device name to initiate pairing, and when prompted, accept or confirm any pairing code. This verifies the link and prevents accidental connections. Make sure to keep the case open during this step for a stable handshake. If your device asks to allow notifications or audio access, grant permission so calls and media route correctly to the earbuds. After pairing, you should test audio by playing music and placing a call to confirm mic routing. Adjust ear tips for seal and comfort to improve bass and call clarity. Once connected, set any touch or button controls in the companion app or device settings so they behave as you expect. If the buds won't connect, reset them. Put buds in case. Hold the pairing button for about 8 to 10 seconds until the LED blinks. Then repeat pairing. This clears old pairings and often fixes stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.